Hey, how you doing? So today I'm going to be cooking a nice ribeye steak. You want to see how I do it? You hang in there. Let's go to the kitchen right now.
Zombie apocalypse.
Hey, how you doing? Good to see you again. Welcome back to the show. And as always, hope to just find everybody safe, healthy, and in good spirits. And remember, if you're new here, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. This way you know next time I pop a video. And thumbs up always helps. I always appreciate everybody who subscribes, everybody who hits a thumbs up button, everybody who stops by, say hello. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, so today I'm going to be cooking a ribeye steak. Now I'm going to be cooking a little different today. Usually you see me cook my steaks, whatever. I cook them on a stove. I put them in the frying pan. I do what I got to do. Okay. Last video I did a T-bone steak. I did it on the stove. They say if you cook it in the oven, it's healthier for you. So today I'm going to cook it in the oven. All right. But just remember, the T-bone steak I cooked last week, the way I cooked it, this ribeye steak, which I'll show you right here, you can actually cook that the same way I cooked that T-bone steak. Same exact way. But today we'll put it in the oven. I'm going to broil it. I'm going to put the broiler on high. I got the top rack about 4 inches or so from the top. I'm going to cook about eight minutes on each side. 8 minutes, I'm going to flip it over. First, we're going to season it. I got my regular sea salt. I got the white pepper. And I got my olive oil. Also, again, remember, when you're in the boss, not when you're in the boss, when you're in the kitchen, you're the boss, all right? So you can do whatever kind of seasoning you want. I'm keeping it simple today, just a little salt, simple salt, pepper, and some olive oil. You can use garlic, you can use whatever you want, however you like to season it, you do what you gotta do. I already took it out, I washed it, I patted it dry, okay? And remember, anything you're gonna cook, any kind of meats, whatever, take it out of the oven at least 30 minutes before you're ready to cook it, okay? Gotta have it at room temperature. It just lets it soften up. Let's the steak relax. Whatever you cook, it just relax it so it's ready to cook, all right? So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna take my olive oil, put a little bit on each side. A little bit there, I'm gonna rub it in. And I'll flip it over. There it is. Flip it over to this side, a little bit over here. Close that up. And rub that in nice. Get the edges, get around top, bottom, get it all over. All right. Now we'll take our sea salt. And you can use a lot of sea salt if you want. The sea salt just like soaks into it. A lot of it burns off. Unless you're like, got high blood pressure, whatever, you don't want to use much salt, whatever. But a lot of salt is good. As long as you don't eat a lot every day. Hey, you don't want to come out? Come on. There we go. Not cooperating today. All right. We got that sea salt. Now we got a little bit of white pepper. I like to use the white pepper. I don't know why I use black pepper. I like to use the white pepper. Again, sometimes use the black pepper. People think there's bugs in there. It's not. So I use the white pepper. You don't really see it. Rub that in real good. Let's flip it over to the other side. My sea salt, that's really giving me a hard time today coming out. I don't know why. Open up a little bit more. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on, baby. All right, it came out now. Now we got our white pepper. This wants to come out fast, the white pepper. All right. Rub that in real nice. Get all the edges, get around the side. Make it nice. Just rinse my hand a little bit. Hold on. All right, now I'm gonna hit the oven. I'm gonna turn the boiler on high right now. Get that ready. All right, got that broiler on high. Got my season ready to go. What I'm gonna do is actually put it on this pan. This pan is actually like a, I guess they call it a boiling pan. It's got the top with the holes in it. Comes off, see like that. And the bottom, I just put a little aluminum foil to kind of make it easier to clean up. Put that over the top like that. This way I put my steak. Right on there like that. This way when it's boiling, it comes right through nice. So like I said, it's on broil, high. I got the top rack about 4 inches or so from the top. I'm gonna take this, I'll put it in now. I'm gonna let it go for about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna flip it over to the other side, let it go about 7 to 8 minutes. I'm gonna take it out and see what it looks like. Quick, easy. Remember, you're in the kitchen, you're the boss, do what you wanna do. You wanna do more season, you wanna put your rosemary, you wanna put your garlic, you wanna put your onions, whatever you wanna do, you put on there. It's up to you. All right, here we go. In the oven she goes. All right, let's let that cook for about 7 to 8 minutes. We'll flip it over. We'll come back and see what we got. All right, so here we have it. Nice T-bone, not T-bone, it's a ribeye steak. I put about 7 minutes on each side. I moved the rack down a little bit. It was a little too close, started getting a little bit too hot. So about 4 to 5 inches, the top rack away from the boil. About 7 minutes on one side, 6.5 to 7 minutes on the other side. You can see it, what's happening. You don't want it to burn. It's getting hot pretty quick. But there we have it. Let's cut it open. Let's see what we got. Let's see how she came out. And I let it sit here for about 10 minutes. After I took it out, I let it sit and relax for about 10 minutes. This way all those juices stay there. Don't forget that. At least a half an hour before you start, have it out of the refrigerator. 10 minutes at least before you start cutting into it. Oh yeah, looking good. Look at that. Look at that nice juicy piece right there. Check that out. Smoking. Still smoking. It's a little bit more towards the medium side. A little bit past the medium side, let's say. If you wanted it more towards the medium rare or closer to the bottom side of medium, even if only about 6 minutes or so. As you see, this one here just kind of like got a little bit looks so juicy though. Look at that. Look at the juices and the steam. So yeah, 6 minutes on each side, you'll like it. Remember, you're the boss. However long you want it to. You want to take it out and try it, cut a little piece, you put it back in if you have to, whatever you want. Let me give this a taste though. Oh boy. Now that's a steak. That, my friends, is good. You just taste the juice in it. It's so juicy. It melts in your mouth. It's like, I've never been to heaven before, but this is getting close. Yes. Ribeye steak in the oven, broil. Keep your rack about 6 inches from the top. 6, 7, 8 minutes on each side, whatever you prefer. A little bit of salt and pepper. Anything else you want? Oh boy. This ain't even gonna make it to a dish. I'm gonna eat it right off of here. and I'm gonna wash it down. Cheers to you guys. I appreciate you coming, stopping by. Here's to you guys. Remember, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, hit the thumbs up. I appreciate that all the time. Leave your comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's happening out there. Let me know how you're doing. I appreciate you all again. Remember, stay safe, stay healthy. Eat what you want to eat. Enjoy life. Again, here's to you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Take care.